What makes the ultimate cinnamon roll? Today, we're testing different doughs, fillings, and techniques to create the perfect homemade cinnamon roll. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're exploring how to make cinnamon rolls at different skill levels. From quick and easy to bakery quality perfection. Let's get started. Choosing the right dough. Basic dough. Quick, easy, and convenient, but lacks richness. Enriched yeast dough, made with buttermilk and eggs for a soft, tender crumb. Laminated croissant dough, creates flaky, buttery layers for a gourmet twist. The perfect cinnamon roll, filling classic butter and brown sugar mix. The simplest and most traditional filling. Nutella cinnamon spread, a chocolatey twist for extra indulgence. Maple and bourbon infused butter. A sophisticated take with deep, rich flavors. Rolling and shaping the cinnamon rolls. Rolling the dough evenly ensures the perfect balance of dough and filling. Using a sharp knife or floss prevents squishing when slicing rolls. Proofing the rolls before baking allows for a fluffier, lighter texture. Baking and finishing touches. Low and slow baking ensures even cooking without overbrowning. Brushing with butter before baking adds richness and a golden brown crust. Final toppings: cream cheese icing, mascarpone glaze, or cinnamon sugar dusting. Now you know how to make the ultimate cinnamon rolls. Which version would you try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert baking tips. Want to master more sweet treats? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert dessert recipes and kitchen hacks.